Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at indoor hydroponic gardening. Now, if you don't even consider yourself a gardener or don't even have the space for a garden, you can still enjoy the benefit of growing your own plants. And many of these plants can be grown indoors hydroponically, including herbs, vegetable, and even houseplants. So save yourself a trip to the supermarket and stop wasting money, especially on those packaged herbs. But for today's video, we'll be looking at herbs and vegetables because basically we want to feed our family with healthy and pesticide-free food. Now for this video, I put together a list of 25 plants that can be easily grown in water or hydroponically. And though many plants will root and grow well in a glass jar with little water, you can accelerate the growth with the correct plant nutrients and adequate light and harvest them faster than you would from the outside vegetable garden. Now, most of these selections you'll mostly likely heard already or know of, but many you might not be aware of that could be grown without soil. So let's get started with our herbs because I basically enjoy picking fresh herbs. And you guys know that I cook a lot at home, and herbs can transform the taste of food and supplement the dish with proper nutrients. Now, it's also important to note that many of these herbs can be easily grown from cuttling and as well from seedlings, which I'll list below in these videos. So I prefer using cuttling because the plants will grow faster and stronger, but it does take a little bit of finesse to get them growing. So some popular herbs that you might try out are the following: green scallion, tarragon, peppermint, green mint, oregano, basil, sage, stevia, rosemary, and chives. Now, in addition to the above herbs, there are many more types of plants that you can grow in a water-based medium, including various vegetables, and many of these vegetables are the same that you can grow outdoors. Now, I prefer plants that have high turnovers, and those will mostly include those leafy greens. And remember, as long as you're feeding your plants and giving them light, it will grow indoors. So some common vegetables that I like that are well suited for hydroponics include the following: lettuce, spinach, peppers, bok choy, celery, and tomato. And for those who are looking for more vegetables in their diet, here are some more Asian Chinese vegetables that will really work well in hydroponic systems: Chinese broccoli, Chinese choy sum, Chinese water spinach, Chinese spinach or amaranth, Chinese napa cabbage, Chinese celery, watercress, pea shoots or pea tips, Chinese mustard greens. And again, make sure you have the proper pH and conductivity meter. Understand the pH and the EC of your water is essential. So check a link above where you can find a video on that I made. So maybe the greatest benefit of growing your own food hydroponically is that you know exactly where it comes from and how it was grown. And for me, it's like night and day when it comes to the taste of hydroponic vegetables. They are always so much more flavorful than any of the stuff that you can find at your local supermarket. And plus, you can be sure that you have no harmful pesticides that were used in making your plants. Well, that's all I have for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to grow your own plants at home. Now, if you found this video interesting and informative, hit the like button. Check out and feel free to check all the videos below. If you'd like to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. If you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, put in the section below. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Until next time, peace out and happy gardening.